Bitch, we mad. Get to a bag, fuck up a bag, get it right back. Bitch, we mad, I'm on their ass, get in your bag. I'm in my mood today, don't call me your boo.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you that are new, I'm DeRay. For those of you that are not, welcome back. Today we're gonna be vlogging. I have my maternity shoot today. Me and Kylie are gonna take pictures. I gotta get my lashes done this morning. My hair is already done. I got it done 2 days ago. My friend did it. Here's Kylie. She wants to be in the camera. She got her hair done yesterday. And she looking like yesterday. So Kylie's gonna go with my friend Kaya while I get my lashes done. And then after I get my lashes done, I'm gonna do my makeup. And then, yeah, so I'm going to take y'all with me to my lash appointment. I'm going to take y'all with me when I go to the shop to do my makeup. I'm also going to curl my hair. Right now it's straight, but I'm wearing some curls for the shoot. So I'm going to take y'all with me while I do that. And I'm going to bring y'all to the shoot with me. So, yeah, it should be fun. We're going to get some behind the scene footage. And, yeah, that's our day for today. Alright, so I just dropped Kylie off. It's hella shit in my backseat. Please ignore that. I'm about to go get my lashes done. It is 9:53. I'm supposed to be there at 10 o'clock. But I'll probably get there in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna get on the expressway. Let me hurry up. Okay. Alright. So I just finished getting my lashes done, and I just went to Victoria's Secret. I had to get panties and a bra, and I bought some other shit too. I bought a travel makeup case, and I bought some perfume because it smells good. But my nose is so fucking fat. I hate this shit so bad. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna zoom through my makeup really quickly. First thing I'm doing is just moisturizing my face. If y'all want to see a full video of this, let me know, because I'll re-upload it like in a video where it's not like fast forwarded. But yeah, I'm just doing my makeup at the shop. I had to take the background off because they was playing music, and I just sped through it because yeah, I think the video would have been long as hell if I didn't like speed through it. But yeah, I'll try to list the products that I use below. And yeah, just doing my makeup.
So we're in the back, y'all. Period. Look at my girl. So cute. Look at TT. You so cute. Look at TT. Smile for the camera. So cute. Say cheese, y'all.
Okay, so this is when we finally started taking pictures. I had to take the background off because they were playing music, and I'm not trying to get copyrighted because a bitch is trying to monetize this video. But yeah, so I don't know if y'all could tell, but Kylie did not want to take pictures with me. This child is a brat. Like, we literally had to force her to take pictures with me. But I got a couple clips from behind the scenes. She was acting like a brat, so I pretty much got a lot of pictures by myself and a couple pictures with her. But the pictures did come out really, really good. Altogether, my shoe was $200, and I bought this little bodysuit off of Fashion Nova. It was cheap as fuck. Her outfit was cheap from Amazon. I rented the wings from this girl in my city, and I bought panties and bra from Victoria's Secret, as I mentioned before. So altogether, I probably spent like 400 or maybe 3 something, but it wasn't bad at all. But we had a blast. Alright, y'all. So I'm back home after a long ass day. I had to finish the vlog on my fucking phone because my camera died. I had a stain right here because I was eating a yogurt parfait. My makeup looks bomb as fuck still. As y'all can see, I'm gonna flip the camera around. But yeah, I just want to say goodnight because I'm about to wipe this off. And I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm tired. This is just what my face is looking like. And I'm about to just slap a bonnet on top of my wig because I'm sleepy as fuck, y'all. I gotta just take this makeup off and go to sleep. Kylie's sleepy too. But if y'all enjoyed my little photo shoot vlog, leave me a comment below. For all my new people, please subscribe and turn the notifications on so you're notified every time that I post a video. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next one. I'm going to bed.